Hello everyone, welcome back to the class, and now we'll do question number 8 from the exercise 4.3. So without wasting time, let's read the question. You see, a train is traveling, a train is traveling 360 kilometer at the uniform speed. Uniformed, this is a scientific, ये science में है, like uniform means without changing at a constant speed. Constant मतलब एक fixed speed पे जा रहा है train, okay? If the speed had been 5 kilometer more, अगर 5 किलोमीटर और ज्यादा होता, it would have been taken 1 hour less than the same journey. मतलब मान लो I went from one place to another, okay, एक place से दूसरी जगह पे कुछ टाइम पे चला गया. I don't know that time, but दिया हुआ नहीं है, it's not given here. I suppose that one x टाइम पे. So I have, अगर मेरा 5 किलोमीटर थोड़ा सा ज्यादा होता है स्पीड, ये जो भी टाइम है, सपोज कि 10 किलोमीटर, तो 10 की जगह पे 9 घंटा मतलब 9 किलोमीटर में पहुंच जाता. Your question is like this, okay? So let's try to do this one. I hope you understood the question. Means you will reach 1 hour earlier if your speed had been more than 5 kilometer per hour. So let's do this one. This is easy, don't take seriously, means don't think this is very tough. This is again too easy. Okay, let's solve this one. Solution. Okay, now before I do, if I suppose I don't know anything, then I will think how to do this one. So whatever you think before that, you see, you are asked to find the speed. Okay, so we must take that as a x. Okay, so we'll just write let uniform, because they are talking about uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed be x kilometer per hour, because this is given kilometer per hour. Okay, so I took as a x kilometer per hour, and you see what will be our increased speed. Increased speed is equal to, you see, I suppose the uniform speed is x. Okay, so our increase will be plus 5, isn't it? So this will be kilometer per hour. And one more thing is given, total distance. Total distance is given to us is equal to 360 kilometer. Okay, so according to the question, let us do this one according to question. This is given like this. According to question, uniform speed, everything is given to you. We find out everything. You see, now I don't know whether you know or not. If you know, then it's good. We have to find out what we have to find out here. You see properly, we got speed, distance also we have, but of course speed is not given, means we suppose speed and distance. So for we need timing, because we know that time is not time, timing. Okay, I'm just writing formula. I'm just writing inside, speed is equal to distance by time. So we have to find out the time, so we have to write distance by speed. I'm just cross multiplying, s will come downside and t will go upside. So time is equal to d by s. We have distance and we have speed also. Speed is given to us. So with the help of that, we will write like this. We'll write the first speed. 360 is our distance, okay, because this, and the speed is given as a x. This was our first, that one, okay. So if I can write like this, and if I minus there another speed, I will save 1 hour, isn't it? So I'm going to write minus 360 by x plus 5. Do you understood this one? Why I'm writing minus? Because if I minus both the timing, I will save 1 hour, isn't it? So that's why I write like this. Okay. So now how to do this one? It's from now. I don't need question. You can do it from here. You see, 360 by x minus 360 x plus 5. If such thing happen to you in any type of question, whenever fraction will be there, we have to take LCM. So there is no number, so we have to write the whole denominator, means from this both side. Now we'll divide x and this one. So if I divide x plus 5 by x, you see I can cut x by x. Okay. So we'll have x plus 5. So we'll just multiply 360 x plus 5. Do you understood this? Minus sign. You see, if we divide this one, then x plus 5 will cancel and we'll have only x. So 360 into x, we will have 360x is equal to 1. So now we'll just multiply this one. X into this one will be 360x. Okay. And 360 into 5. If you have seen my quick video, then you can do this one. Whenever you multiply something with 5, just make it half. So 36 half is your 18, isn't it? And we'll have 20 there. Just add this 0, whatever times will be there, 2 times. Okay. So we got this one, and minus 360x. And downside is, you can just multiply x into x square, and this one x into 5x is equal to 1. Can you understand this one? This is not tough, I guess. So we got this. After this, we'll do one thing. If you can see this one, then see plus, and this one will be of course 0. We'll have only 1800 this side, and we'll cross multiply this one upside. This will be 1. If you multiply with 1, it's same, so we don't have to worry anything about this. We got this. Okay. So we'll do one thing. I'm going to transpose this 1800 this side. Okay. So it will become minus. As these two sides are equal, so I'm just writing this side over here. X square plus 5x, and this 1800 will become minus 1800, and here will be 0. Okay, nothing left. So we got this equation. So from here you can do in two types. You can do with the quadratic formula, or you can do with the factorization. Okay. So I'm going to do with the factorization because for me also it's a little bit good. We can try both. Okay. But I like this one. Okay. You can also like any one of them. So whichever good for you, you can try. But yeah, of course, both of them can find the same answer only, not different. So we'll see this one. 180. We have to get 5. 1 into 1800. Okay, 1 into 1800 is 1800, isn't it? So it's bigger number. Otherwise, we can do like this. 1800 and 1. I'm just writing 1. So we'll sort it out. 1800 half is 900. Okay. And because we have divided with the 2, so 1 into 2, 2. 900 half is 450. Okay, na? So I'm dividing with the 2. So that will be 2 into 4. It's this one only. Okay. So again, if we divide the half of this one, otherwise we can divide with the 3. 45 will be, this is your 15, 150, and this will be 12. Again, you can go ahead with the 3 5s are. So this will be 36. You can divide with the 2. Okay. If you go like this, then you see, it's a long process. I'm just showing you this one. I know the answer. I know the answer means I know I can do it right now properly because I've done earlier also. So I can, but I want you to learn by yourself so that any type of question comes to you, at least you may be able to do this one by yourself. Okay, that's why I'm doing like this. It may take some time, but it's good for learning. So let's see this one. We have done 450. Again, we can take half from here also. 450 half is how much? You just think 450 half. 450 half 0 divided by 2. It's 225. Okay, and this will be 8. So if I divide 225 with the 5, because our answer is 5, so that's why I'm dividing with the 5. So we got 45. I have done directly, okay, because 225 divided by 5. Sorry, I'm by writing on this one. Just divide it with the 5. 5 4 is 20, and remaining will be 5 5 is 25. So that's why I said 5. And because I divide with the 5 and I have to multiply with the 5, so this will be 40. You see, you can go ahead like this. You can try lots of number. Just for saving number, I have done this one, because remember, your answer depends on this number. If it's in a 3 table, of course you divide with 3, you will get soon. If it's 2, then 2. You see, it's here 5. So I try to divide with the 5, and I got exactly this answer, because 45 minus 40 is your 5. This is your answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this one properly. So let us do this one. From here we got situation, because we just did that one. So we can write like this: x square, I'm going to write like this, 45 minus 40x. Okay, 1800 equal to 0. So we'll be writing like this: x square plus sign, no problem, we can just multiply 45x and 40x. You see, I'm just showing this one if you have some problem in this. So otherwise, if this positive, then no problem. Only in minus sometimes the sign, like many students I saw, they have done they used to do some sign mistake. Okay, is equal to 0. Now from here we just take the common, and we'll have the 45, and this side minus, and we'll just make it as x, because x is here. So here it's x, the first number should be x, and then plus 45. Okay, and so I just took out the 40. And why this is plus? Because when you multiply minus into minus into plus, it will become minus. It will same as earlier. Okay, so that's why this one is here. Otherwise you just keep this one similar to this. So we got x minus 40 and x plus 45 equal to 0. I hope you have understood properly. But as we know, okay, just will do from here, x minus 40 equal to 0 and x plus 45 equal to 0. Okay, so x will be the 40 and x will be minus 45, and we know that speed can't be 0, isn't it? Rejected, as speed can't be negative. Okay, so we'll have this one only. This one will be our answer. So we'll just write therefore speed of the train is equal to 40 km per hour. Now just see, you just think by yourself, we did this question, we totally don't know what was the speed of train, we just know the distance and the hour difference, and still we are able to find out the speed of train. This is the wonders of mathematics. You see, if you love the mathematics, you see a lot of things, applications are there, but if you just go for the pattern learning and theoretical, you cannot learn properly. Okay, so till now it's this much only, and thank you so much for watching.